All right, today we are on page 80 and 81 in our instruction book, and this is our guided practice. We are closing up our lesson on number and shape patterns. So we're going to start by reading the example. Hungry Heath sells 4 different sizes of sandwiches: small, medium, large, and jumbo. The small sandwich costs $3. Each size after that costs 2 more than the size before it. How much does each sandwich cost? So we could solve it by drawing a picture. So they wrote small and drew 3 rectangles to represent dollar bills. So $1, $2, $3. The small sandwich cost $3. Then every sandwich after that is 2 more, so they did add 2. $1, $2, $3 plus 2 more is $5. From the medium to figure out the large, they added 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is what they left off on a medium, and we add 2 more, 6, 7, so the large is $7. And the jumbo, they left off at $7. They added 2 more, so the jumbo is $9. So our rule for this problem is to add 2 because we do it every time. Number 15, draw the next 2 shapes in the shape pattern below. All right, let's go ahead and we'll say what these are. So a 5-sided figure is called a pentagon, and a 7-sided shape is called a heptagon. So we are going to say pentagon, heptagon, pentagon, heptagon, pentagon, heptagon. And now we need to figure out what goes next. So we're going to draw the next shape in our pattern the best that we can. Sometimes it's not easy to draw these shapes, and that's okay as long as we try our best. So what comes after the pentagon? We're going to draw a heptagon. So make sure when you're drawing it that it has 7 sides, because that is the goal. Ooh, that actually wasn't too bad. All right, Miss Pasco did the best she could, and I hope you guys did the best you could. All right, number 16. Eva drew a shape pattern that goes back and forth between rectangles and ovals. So here's rectangle, oval, rectangle, oval, rectangle, oval. What are 2 other rules that describe this set of shapes? So 2 other rules, something that happens every time. In our previous examples, things that we did were a number of sides that they have. So let's do that. What are 2 other rules? So the rectangle has how many sides? 4, and an oval has how many sides? 0. So we can do a rule is 4, 0. 4, 0, 4, 0. That's the number of sides. That tells the number of sides. But we're not done because it wanted us to do 2 rules. So my next rule could be, she kind of said rectangle, oval, rectangle, oval, rectangle, oval. So what's another example that we used? Straight, curved. Do we have that again? Can we talk about how the sides are? Straight, curve, straight, curve, straight, curve. All right, the rule is straight, curved, straight, curved, straight, curved. There are more than these two ways to describe the pattern. So if you come up with something else, make sure you share that with me. Number 17, Lana wrote the pattern below. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. If the pattern continues, what would be the next number in the pattern? Circle the letter for the correct answer. So we need to figure out what's the rule that they follow every time so we know what to do. If we look from 7 to 14, how do we get from 7 to 14? There are two different ways we could do that. We could add 7 or times 2. Let's look from 14 to 21. Can we add 7 to 14 and get 21? If we add 7, yes. If we do 14 times 2, we're going to get 28, and that's not our next number. So we can cancel out this rule. We're not multiplying. What are we doing? Every time we jump to the next number, these are little arrows. Every time we jump to the next number, we add 7, add 7, add 7, add 7. So to find out our next number, we're going to do 35 plus 7. Okay? So go ahead and count it out. 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. So our answer is B. But Diego chose D as the correct answer. How did he get that answer? How did Diego get 70? What did he do? Did he multiply even though we ruled that out? Maybe he didn't look at all the numbers like we did. What is 35 times 2? If I do 35 times 2, I do 35 plus 35. Let's see what we get. 10, 70. So Diego multiplied by 2, but that was not the rule. And we proved it's not the rule when we moved from 14 to 21. The rule was to add 7. All right, I wish you guys luck on the next page. It is independent, so you'll be doing it on your own, but that doesn't mean that I'm not going to help you with it. So give it a try, and on the day that it says, give it a try, and I look forward to seeing how you guys are doing with number and shape patterns. Bye.